Hi everyone, this is Sasi. You're watching my channel so-called Sasi's Guidance. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about very special class. It is a very important. It is a very important as well as a very interesting. All of you, let's have a look. Have the narration with the formula of the matching tense type. I am supposed to give you all the formula how to change the direct speech to indirect speech. This chapter is totally different from other class of narration, but actually it is a very important. Even though this is a narration class, these tenses are very important for all the classes, for the classes of just tenses and about the formation of negative, interrogative, voice, clauses, correct tense, and etc. like that, and we're supposed to use it in different ways. And these formulas are very important for everybody, for every student. And without having this knowledge, nobody can change how to direct speech to indirect speech. It will be very difficult. That's why, and all of you, please focus on this formula, and if you have a chance, please download to know all the formulas. These are very important. These formulas are very important. All of you, please remember these. Let's remember again what about the tenses of the previous classes. It is a part of the narration. It is a very important part. And let's see if the reporting verb is a past tense. Now we have to discuss about the past tense of the reported speech. The reported verb will be changed as follows. The reported verb will be changed as follows. For example, reported direct speech. This parts will be the tense of the reported direct speech, but this part will be the reported indirect speech. You should know this structure, this part and this part. What is the difference between reported direct speech and reported indirect speech? This part will be reported speech, but actually this part will be reported speech of direct speech. Direct speech the reported speech to oiganeba. Some the legend indirect speech to oigadaba, reported speech to oigadoribaneba. Other than this, she present indefinite, present definitely. Let's see the formula. Formula the amukhine subject plus v1 plus object plus subject plus v1 plus s or es or ies plus object. We have learned it a lot in the class of voice, in the class of tenses. Again, we are learning it is very important. We are supposed to know this formula very nicely. After having this, and you can do everything, how to change negative to passive, how to change a direct speech to indirect speech, and how to make sentence correctly, how to apply the correct tense of different sentences and different clauses. And it is a very important lesson. And somebody may think it is very easy, but now I know that I'm telling you it is a very easy, but somebody doesn't care of it. That's why, and they have the lack of knowledge of English grammar and construction. Just if you want to improve your English day by day, please learn it properly. Let's have a look. Present indefinite subject plus v1 plus object plus subject plus v1 plus s or es or ies plus object should be changed into past indefinite. Past indefinite should be changed into subject plus v2 plus object. This is a past structure. Next formula is a present continuous becomes a past continuous. See, the present continuous formula will be subject plus am or is or are plus v1 plus ing plus object. The past continuous will be subject plus was or were plus v1 plus ing plus object. This is the indirect structure, this is the direct structure. That's why, and all of you please have to remember this. And the present perfect tense will be changed into past perfect tense form. The formula will be subject plus have or has plus v3 plus object. The past perfect will be subject plus had plus v3 plus object. Next is the present perfect continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. I have already told you again and again, but it is a very important. Let's do again and again. In the next formula of the past indefinite tense form. In the past indefinite tense form, let's see, the formula will be subject plus v2 plus object. And past indefinite tense will be changed into past perfect tense form. The formula of the past perfect tense form is subject plus head plus v3 plus object. And then past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense form. The Past continuous tense formula will be subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. The past perfect continuous will be subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now again, let's remember, and these formula are very important for all of you. Then again, let's read again. Okay. Present indefinite should be changed into past indefinite. The formula will be subject plus V1 plus object, or subject plus V1 plus S or ES or IES plus object. The past indefinite will be subject plus V2 plus object. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. The formula subject plus M or is or R plus V1 plus ing plus object. The past continuous formula will be subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. The present perfect tense form will be changed into past perfect tense form. The present perfect formula will be subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. The past perfect formula will be subject plus had plus the V3 plus object. Next is present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. The subject plus have or has plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. This is the formula of the present perfect continuous. The formula of the past perfect continuous is subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Next again, past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. The formula of the past indefinite is subject plus V2 plus object. The past perfect will be subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Next is the past continuous. Past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. The formula will be subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. This is past continuous. The past perfect continuous will be subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. It is a very good for every student. That's why please remember this. Please try to know it again and again. That's why, and I am telling you, thank you very much for your cooperation.